Good morning students and welcome to your reasoning class. In our last class, we are doing chapter 9 embedded figures. So in our today's class, we will continue with the same chapter. So in our last class, we have discussed till question number 20. So in our today's class, let us start from question number 21. Embedded figures. Let's revise this term for one more time. That what do you mean by embedded figures? Embedded figures are the figures which are already present in a different figure. Suppose this triangle is present inside this square. So we can say that triangle is embedded inside the square. Again, you can see that I am drawing a triangle and I am also drawing a circle inside this triangle. So circle is embedded inside the triangle. Any figure which is present inside some other figure, so it is called as embedded. So let us talk about question number 21. In front till question number 20, we did it in our last class. In question number 21, given in page number 69, you can see this here. Select the shape which is exactly embedded in figure X as one of its parts. You can see that there is a figure X and you have to select a figure which is exactly embedded inside it as its part. Here you can see there are 4 options. Yes. Option A. You can check option A, the shape. Is this shape? You can find this shape inside this figure. You have to see, you have to observe very nicely, very deeply, and then you have to choose. I can see that the option A, the figure given in option A is not embedded in figure X. Now let us check option B. This figure is also not present in this figure X. Now let us see figure X. Yes, I can see that figure C is embedded inside this figure X. So our answer for option for question number 21 is option C. The figure C is embedded inside figure X. Now let us turn to page number 70, question number 22. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in figure X as one of its part. Question number 21 and question number 22 are just like same. So you have to find out the figure. Here is your figure X. Now let us check option A. Here this one is a triangle and this one is also a triangle. Let us see, is this figure is embedded inside this? No, I can't see this figure is embedded. Now let us check option B. Option B, this figure. No, I can see that this figure is also not embedded in figure X. Let us check option C. In option C, you can see that this figure is embedded or not. I am unable to see this figure in figure X. It means that this figure is not embedded in figure X. Now the last option, option D. Is this option is available? Yes, I can see that From here you can find out this. So option D will be your answer for question number 22. Now moving towards question number 23. In which of the following figure X is exactly embedded as one of its parts? Almost the question is the same. Here you can see in figure X there is a Z. You have to find out in which figure this Z is embedded. So you can see that the Z is a mirror image. The Z you can see is opposite. So this is not your answer. In B, no Z is formed. This is also not your answer. Let us check option C. No, Z is not formed. So this is also not your. Here you can see that this one. Here this figure X is embedded in figure D. So your answer is option D. Next, in which of the following option figure X is exactly embedded as one of its parts? Now you have to find out, you have to observe all the figures given in these four options, and you have to find out this part inside these figures. You can see that this is an M. Can you find an M inside the figure A? No. In option B, M? No. In option C? No, I can't find this M figure in option C. But here I can see M. So this figure X is embedded in option D. Your answer for question number 24 will be option D. Let us check question number 25. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in figure X as one of its part? It is just like as question number 21 and 22. So children, you will do this question by yourself. 25. Now let us see question number 26. Select a figure from the option which is not exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part. This is a new question, children. In this question, you have to select that option which is that figure which is not embedded in figure X in this figure. Okay, so you have to check option A. Is this part is present? Which figure is not available in figure X in this figure? You can see that this one is figure A is option A. The figure given in option A is present in this figure. Now in option B you can see that there is a circle. So can you see a circle in this figure? No. So your answer will be option B. You can check the other options also, but you got your answer from option B. So the answer is option B for question number 26. Let us see question number 27. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in given figures as one of its part? Again, you have to find out the figure which is exactly embedded in this figure. Option A. Can you see this figure? Yes, I can see that this is embedded inside. This is embedded inside. Here you can see that this part, option A, the part given in option A is embedded in this figure. So your answer will be option A So no need to check the other options. Next question. Question number 28. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Children, it is just like as the previous question, so you do it by yourself. Now let's see question number 29. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Again the same type, the same pattern of question, but we will do it. Here you have to find out that which figure is exactly embedded in the given figure. Given figure means in this figure as one of its part. Here you can see there is an X in option A. Is this figure embedded in this figure? No, I cannot see a X here. So this will be not your answer. This is not your answer. Let us see option B. Let us check option B. Yes, I can see that option B here, a Z kind of and a. So option B here is your answer. The figure which is given in option B is exactly embedded in this figure. So your answer will be option B. Now let us see the last question of this chapter 30. This chapter, question number 30. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts. You have to select the figure which is exactly embedded in this figure. So let us check option A. Can you see this figure? No, this is not present in this figure. This is option B. Let us check option B. Yes. No, I cannot find this one also. So option B, the figure given in option B is also not a part of this figure. Option C. Here you can see that there is an A and this figure. Is this figure is embedded? Yes. You can see this figure in here also. So the figure which is given in option C is embedded in this figure. So your answer will be option C. So here is all about these questions, about embedded figures. I hope children that through this chapter, through this video and the previous video, you have a deep knowledge you have about grouping of figures and embedded figures. So the questions that I have not solved for you, you will do it by yourself, and the rest question you will also do in your book after watching this video. I hope all of you will like this video and you will solve all the questions in your book. Till then, keep learning and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.